My final question is there is a vehicle blowing but is not cool, and there is a lack of refrigerant in the system. I can initial inspection. I can begin with discussing the issue with the customer and to gather informations about the symptom and any recent changes like that, and I can perform a visual inspection easily, and I can identify the leakage areas, and I can check the leakage using pressure check using nitrogen gas, and I can check the leakage area, and I can check the leakage area using UV dye. The Nissan vehicles already put the UV dye to the systems, and we can easily identify the leakage areas using UV torch. And once the source of the leak is identified, will proceed the repair, replace the part component or repair the component. This could involve fixing a damaged hose, replacing O-rings, or addressing leaking valves like that. And after fix that leakages or replacing parts, I can perform a vacuum test. When vacuuming time also, we can check that our my repair is already 100%, or there is any other leakage on the systems. If the vacuum test is successful, I can recharge with refrigerant to the systems, write the appropriate amount. When most of the time I'm using service manual for check the appropriate amount of the systems, or underneath of the front hood there is a sticker for take an idea about the amount of the refrigerant and the what we are calling lubricant oil. Also we can take an idea. We can recharge the gas using AC recovery machines. This is the better way for recharge the AC gas, because we can recharge appropriate amount. But sometimes we are using pressure gauge, using pressure systems for recharge the refrigerant to the system. Then finally perform test using temperature gauge inside the vehicle, and using pressure gauge we can test from outside of the vehicle. In good system, need to drop down vehicle inside duct temperature, less than 8 Celsius degrees. And then I conduct final visual inspections. That is the most important thing, is the final one. I perform a final visual inspection. All components are secure, that there are no visible leakages. I will explain repair and provide recommendations for the customer, ongoing maintenance to the customer, like that. Cases, I have a habit, after 1 or after 2 weeks I take feedback from the customer about the performance of the AC systems. That is the most important part.